Now that you can't see dislikes, I've decided to start my channel. Today we'll be going to a park I used to frequent in my long gone youth. I'll be shooting with Portra 800 and Ilford HP5 pushed 2 stops. The cameras I'll be using are the Olympus MJU and the Olympus OM1. Now we just wait for some airplanes. Get a picture of these birds.
Here comes one.
Hopefully that's a good one. That one right there is coming for us, unless that's a UFO. Okay. I think that was good. I swear this place was bigger as a little kid. Try to get those people having a picnic. It ended up getting too dark to finish the roll of Ilford, so I'll probably finish it in the next video. Thanks for watching.